I mean, sa Manila na
Dito
ba?
pa rin.
Ah,
Dito pa rin.
Manila.
Secret lang kung saan.
Oo.
Malalaman nyo rin yan
Okay.
soon. Yes, yes.
What about yung interior? Like, ano yung theme? Like, yung
Everything is
ambience?
Italian.
Okay.
And disclaimer, everything came from hard-earned money
Okay.
and clean money. So, hindi tayo sasabit dyan. So, but yeah, I mean, ngayon nga, when the team and I, like Pat and I talk about how I wanted my new home to look like and how it's gonna be done, parang this is the first time kasi that I'm really doing something for myself. I mean, yung bahay kasi namin sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, I specifically had that house made for my family, for my family's, you know, especially my grandparents live with me. So I really had to have one bedroom sa baba, and then I had to configure everything for the needs of my family. But right now, it's just so you know, rewarding, and it just feels so good to have to work on something that's for myself naman. Because syempre, ganun kasi ako, parang unahin ko muna yung the ones that's close to me before myself. But I think this is the right time for me to be able to do it for myself naman. Kaya I'm just so happy with this journey, you know, building a place that I can actually call my home.
You experience on the living room. So this
Yes,
time around,
yes.
is it parang comfortable?
No, it's a house.